Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives that grabs family dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Lexus ES 350. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. You have a nice leather interior, soft touch materials like these door handles. You also have a pretty big screen, pretty similar to what you find a lot of Lexus and Toyotas these days. I think it's the same system actually. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in Google Maps. And it'll show you your Toyota and Lexus dealers that are nearby. Yeah, this looks like the same system I see in the Tundra and stuff like that. But yeah, it's good that Lexus put this instead of that horrid touchpad that they had for a long time. I'm not a fan of that at all. So this touchscreen is a lot better for sure. And then you have ventilated seats and heated seats and a heated steering wheel, which is nice. You have a wireless charging tray. Good placement for it too. Use your reverse camera. You have a digital or partially digital gauge cluster. The center, the tach is digital, plus the speedometer is in the center. You have a little digital screen on the side, but then the gauges are analog. In the F Sport, you're going to get the cool Lexus F Sport digital cluster. You have Eco, Normal, and Sport shift paddles, soft leather steering wheel, which I like. Pretty good center console storage as well. You also have a panoramic sunroof. That's pretty cool for a sedan. Not a lot of sedans have panoramic sunroofs. Rear legroom looks pretty spacious too. But let's walk around this car. Lexus, the ES 350 is a very, simple sedan. It's had the same engine for a very long time. This is a red one. This is like a basic model. It's a pretty big sedan. Like, this legroom's pretty good. You can see, very spacious back there. Here's the rear of the vehicle, or the trunk. Looks like this one also has like the plastic guard. It's like kind of like PPF. Bridgestone tires. Comes with Bridgestone Turanza. But let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. The turn signal stock has a good feel to it. And this has a 8-speed automatic transmission. Don't know if I mentioned that. And the seats feel really, really comfortable. The leather feels really soft. All the touch points feel really soft, which is nice. They also have open pore wood trim. Gives you good pickup too. You need to overtake someone. You have the power that you need at your disposal. And the transmission's nice and responsive too. And I like how the gauge looks in sport mode. It's pretty cool. It becomes white with the red line being more pronounced. Overall, very smooth ride, even in the sport mode. It's a nice car. Even like the horn pads made of nice leather. See, like the little things matter, like having nice touch points in the interior, like something you're gonna touch and feel every time you get in the car. It makes it feel high quality, right? Like whenever there's a lot of plastic around a vehicle's interior, it doesn't feel very comforting or nice. But this car definitely has really good materials. They're pretty typical of Lexus. They have nice materials in most of their vehicles. They also have a manual mode, or S mode, I guess. Like, look at that. That button just feels so nice. And I like this polished, it's not actually polished, but like this trim pieces over on the steering wheel and around the shifter. Overall, this 2025 Lexus ES350 is a very comfortable drive, very nice materials, and is definitely a great daily driving vehicle. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grab's family dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for nice vehicles like this Lexus.